Welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Here we go. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and we're gonna open it up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. If you haven't tried Wantable before, there's a description down below and a referral link as well if you would like to try it. And I think this is the Patio Perfect edit. They have like themed edits, and that's mostly what I like to do nowadays with Wantable. I'm not going to put this away because we also have a book of the month to open up too. Book of the month, I think it's $15 maybe a month, maybe $10.99, can't remember. But I just got my 12th book, so now I'm a BFF Book of the Month member, and they sent me this cute tote. Look! Book pocket. Pocket for your book. I'll put that link down below too if you want. It's my referral link. Book of the month. That brand new BFF feeling. Pretty neat. Okay. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna have to charge it, but you'll never guess what happens next. They send you like a little paper bookmark. And this month I got 2 books you can add on. I got The Wedding Dress Sewing Circle by Jennifer Ryan. And I got Daisy Jones and the Six by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I've really been into Taylor Jenkins Reid. I just finished Malibu Rising. When I was in Jamaica, I read The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, all by her. So I'm excited. She really knows how to spin a story. So yeah, that's the book of the month. If you want to try it out, I'll put my referral link down below too. Okay, my battery is charged, so now we can do the Wantable, which is what you clicked on. Hooray! I just put laundry away while my battery was charging, so, you know, productive day. Okay, here we go. We opened the box. Let's look at the bundle. It's the Patio Perfect edit, which I had good luck with the Patio Perfect edit last year, I think. So, here we are. Oh, I've been really liking yellow lately. This top is from Wantable, from a couple Wantable boxes ago. So, yeah, ooh. Got some patterns, some green, some yellow. Looks like there's kind of like a brownish orange in there, some pink. So yeah, let's open her up. There we go. All right, Patio Perfect. Perfect for the patio. All right, we'll go over prices and everything at the end. If you're new here, that's what we do. If you're not, hi. Hi Rachel, yay, hope you're ready for some fun in the sun. We're drinking iced coffee, by the way. It's cold brew with some cafe latte flavored premier protein drink in it as my creamer. Really good. Yay, hope you're ready for some fun in the sun. This limited time style edit is packed with 7 sizzling summer trends designed to make you look and feel beautiful. Sending a button up top, ooh, that can be worn to work on a casual day with skinny jeans. I can't wear jeans at work. Skinny jeans and fun earrings. Going out is in, whether you're hitting the patio with your pals or firing up the grill for the first or second or third time. I choked. These fits are perfect for all of your sunny soirees. You have 5 days to try everything on. Don't forget, if you keep 5 or more items, you'll get 20% off. Be sure to let me know what you think at self-checkout. Cheers. Enjoy, Karen, stylist. I don't think I've had Karen before, so that's exciting. All right, 7 items. Here we go. They send you back. They send you the mailer to send things back that you don't want to keep. And all right, first thing up is some jewelry. That's cute. Okay. Ooh, oh, those are big. I think I remember seeing this. They have like what's called a stream where you can request items or decline items. I feel like I probably requested these, but those are huge. Those are really big. They're cute. I like the knot. They're pretty cute. Should we put them in? Let's put them in. All right, we have them in. Here they are. They're really kind of cute. Should we try zooming? You know I'm not good at it. Hi. I really like that knot. I think that's cute. I think they're good size. I know they're, hi. Oh, see, you know I'm not good at zooming. I think they're cute. Let's get the light back how it was, shall we? Maybe? Should we leave them in for the try on? They're big, but I think they're like a nice statement, because usually I would just have the one necklace on. think they're cute. Okay. We'll leave those in for the time being until we find out how much they are. Why not? Why not? They're not making noise like I thought they would. Like, they kind of make a little noise if you really do that, but not bad. Okay. Next we have this button-down top. Oh, it's long sleeve. I thought it was going to be like short sleeve with like cuffs or something. I don't know why I imagined that, but it's long sleeve. I'm not really into the long sleeve. It is longer, so I can see how it'd be nice over leggings. It's a really pretty color. It's by Z Supply. So, I don't know. Okay, we'll see. We'll see about that one. Next we have this cute little t-shirt. It has little cherries on it. Cherries that are hearts. Hearts that are cherries. That's kind of cute and simple and nice. Just tuck in into some joggers. Cute. Next we have, what are you? What are you? A kimono? Next we have a kimono. Sorry, I had to cough. It's like the same color vibes. Yeah, that's cute. I haven't really been wearing these much. I did keep one a while back. That was like pink and white. I don't even know if I've worn that yet, so I doubt I'll need this, but it's cute. It has kind of like a little frayed hem. You can see that? That's cute. It's very soft too. And we have, what are you? A dress? Oh, that's cute. I could wear that to work, I think. I think that's cute. It'd be even cuter if it was a romper. I love rompers. Are you a romper? No, you're a dress. It's got a nice little ruffle. Sorry. It's got a nice little ruffle on the bottom. Adorbs. Alright. And we have some shorts. They look like maybe Bermuda shorts because they look like a little longer by Vagos. I love Vagos. And they have that frayed hem too. Stretchy, nice. I don't have any green shorts. I do have a lot of shorts right now though. I've accumulated them. Here's another pair of shorts. This is more my style right now. Is just like stretchy shorts that you can just throw on over your bathing suit or a tank top. I like these. They have pockets. That's nice. I do like that. Okay. Alright, let's try everything on. Alright, first outfit. Here's the shirt, V-neck. I really like it. With the cherries on it. I think it's just a little something cute. And then the shorts are longer. It's kind of like Kim Possible vibes right now with the black and the green. If anyone knows Kim Possible. But they're really cute. They're comfy. They have pockets in the back and pockets in the front. I think they're really nice length. I think the fray is really cute. Let's try it on with the kimono. Iced coffee, am I right? Alright, let's try this on. It has the tags on the bottom, so it's really messy, really noisy. Like, I think even that's cute. I probably wouldn't wear it with this t-shirt like that, but I'd probably wear it with like a white t-shirt. And then it does have a split up the side. It's cute. I don't know, I haven't really been into kimonos lately, so I probably wouldn't keep this, but it is really cute and it's really soft and you can tie it as well, kind of like that. It's adorable. Adorable. I've been listening to musicals all morning on Amazon Music. My current favorite right now is Something Rotten. If you've ever listened to that musical, I've never seen it, but you can Wikipedia page it and figure out what it's about. It's kind of self-explanatory a little bit in the music, but I'm going on a tangent. This is a cute outfit. It's cute. It's objectively very cute. Do I need these shorts? Probably not. Let's try things on. Let's try more things. Here's the pink shirt. I don't need long sleeves. I know. All of you are saying, Rachel, you can just roll the sleeves up. And you know what? You're probably right. I mean, you are right. You can physically roll them up. But do you want to do that all the time? You know? No, I don't want to. If it were short sleeve, hear me out. If it were short sleeve and it was like cuffed, this would be really cute. Be a really cute shirt. Would I wear it? Probably not. Do I like to ask myself questions? Yeah, I do. Don't you? Sorry. You know, some people say I'm not as funny as I think I am, but I think I'm pretty funny. Alright, so like, if I were to get this, if it were cuffed, if it were a cuffed sleeve, tie it up, you know, it'd be kind of cute with these shorts, okay? But as it is, it's not. And people say, Rachel, don't tie things. It's meant to be tied, okay? Here's the shorts though. The shorts, I think, are a keeper if they're not too expensive because they're lined inside too. They're a cute neutral pattern. They also have a little slit right there. They're stretchy. They have pockets. Ideal. Ideal shorts for summer, I think. Okay, let's roll this one up too. Yeah, I'm not rolling it up the same. Okay, but just for the vibe. Just for the vibe. I really like this color, so it's a real shame that it's long sleeve because I don't want to wear long sleeve in the summer, and I know it's like very lightweight material. It's got the double pockets, that's cute. Objectively, it's cute. Objectively, it's a cute outfit. I will say that. I said it. But it's just not what I'm going for. Not what I'm going for. Pretty color. Very pretty color. Alright, let's try on the dress. Here's the dress. It's really cute. I love this pattern. Like that yellow with the daisies. It's so cute. It has a modesty snap right there, but you can kind of see. Otherwise, it's really cute. Let me pan down real time. So you can see the ruffle, and it has the open kind of sleeves like that. It's cute. Look at that ruffle. That's a really good length too. I think it's cute. I don't think I need it because I feel like this isn't, I wouldn't wear this to work. I feel like this is more of like an event dress, like a baby shower, baptism, wedding, like a nice summer wedding. I think that's really cute. But I don't have any of those things to go to besides a baptism, which I already have a dress for. So I don't need this, but it's really cute. I'm glad I can show it to you guys. So maybe you can request it, or if you get the Patio Perfect box, you know. So yeah, I wish this were like in a shirt or something, this pattern, so that I could wear it more often. It's not, I feel like this isn't just like a dress you go do your, you know, errands in. It could be, you can wear whatever you want, whenever you want to, but it's cute. I do like the ruffle. Alright, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. The Lalo button-up top in pink sky, size medium/large, by Z Supply is $69. The flowy floral shorts in taupe, size XL, by Cotton Blue, BLEU, $48. The floral print open sleeve dress in yellow XL, $68. The Dawn Kimono in Auburn Vintage Ditzy, one size, by Gentle Fawn. I like Gentle Fawn. $49. The interlace earring in gold, $38. I like them. I have 20. So Wantable, it's $20 styling fee for the box. So I already have $20 invested in it. But I don't think I want to spend another $18 for these. I don't think so. The Marley mid-rise short with frayed hem in olive, size 14, by Vegas, $58. And the Cherry Heart V-neck tee in black, size large, $38. I did like that tee. So I think it's between the shorts, these shorts, which I have a lot of shorts like this already though. So I'm not sure. And the tee, which I know is just like a very basic tee, but I think it's cute. So I think it's between those two. What do you guys think? I'm sure I probably checked out by the time this video goes up, but still, let me know what you think. Yeah, you guys, I hope you have a great day. It's kind of cloudy here a little bit, but I think I'm gonna go outside after this and I don't know, maybe edit this video. Why not? I can do that. I can do whatever I want. So I'm also gonna continue to drink my iced coffee, so that's fun. I got this cup at Home Goods, if anyone's wondering. Yeah. Anyway, alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.